Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to leave an NFL Fantasy League. If you're considering to leave an NFL Fantasy League, here are two things to take note of. If you're a manager or a commissioner of a league, there is a straightforward path. But if you joined a league, this will be very difficult to do, as this might negatively affect the league when the league is actually running. If you joined a league, the only way to easily leave an NFL Fantasy League is before the draft has begun or during the drafting. However, if you're managing a league and you're a commissioner, all you'll need to do is to click on the league. For example, in our case, we can click on Thor's League. Then when we're in our league, we're going to go over to the top of our screen and click on Manage. Then under League Management, you can scroll down and look for the option. Now here's something to take note of. If you click on Delete League, this is bound to work for you because we're still in the pre-draft stage of our league. If the draft has been done and the league is running, this would negatively impact those who have joined your league. However, if you're in the pre-draft stage, you can click on delete as we have already, then say yes and submit it to delete your custom NFL Fantasy Football League. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.